Hi, Katka from Smartsupp here and welcome to another Mira AI tutorial. In today's video, we'll take a look at the training section. This section is essential for teaching Mira how to respond accurately to specific questions that are important for you. It's super easy. Just add a question and a matching answer. So let's get started. You already know where to find our AI shopping assistant in the dashboard. The training section can be found right here in the left tab. Just click on it and you're ready to start training. To add a question and an answer, just click on Add New button right here. As an example, I've chosen discount section from our partner store Drakero. So the question could be something like, do you have any discounts? And the answer, yes. Check out our latest sale items here. Paste the link, click on save, and you're all set. Now let's test it out. I'll switch back to my Drakero AI chatbot right here and click on section Live Preview and Publish. And I'll ask, do you have any discounts? Let's wait a bit. And I can see that the chatbot responded just as I wanted. Try asking the question in different ways to make sure that the chatbot responds correctly. Don't forget that the customers have the option to rate how Mira AI responds. It's a powerful way to uncover communication gaps, so you can improve Mira AI responses in the future. Check out video tutorial on this topic prepared by my colleague Jana. That's all for today's tutorial. If you want to learn more, check out our Mira AI video series where we already covered basic setup, how to add and manage sources, how to use customer feedback to improve responses. That's all from today's video. Bye!